Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate jar cake, easy method. Start by gathering jars and ingredients, then preheat your oven or microwave as needed. Mix dry ingredients, whisk in wet ingredients until smooth, and spoon batter into jars leaving space for rise. Bake or microwave until set, then cool briefly before adding toppings. This method keeps steps simple and portable for single-serve treats. Measure ingredients precisely for predictable results and a balanced cake. Sift cocoa and flour to avoid lumps and ensure even texture. Combine dry and wet components separately, then fold gently to avoid overmixing. Spoon batter into jars, leaving a little headroom for rise, and smooth the tops for neat presentation. Quick additions like nuts or chocolate chips can elevate texture and flavor in each jar. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep jars secure and prevent spills when transporting a cake for a picnic. They stack neatly and save cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Place jars on a baking tray to stabilize them and prevent tipping in the oven. Bake at a steady temperature until cakes spring back lightly to the touch and a toothpick shows moist crumbs. For microwave cooking, use low power and short bursts to avoid steam buildup and overflow. Cool jars on a rack so they finish setting, then top with frosting or jam while still slightly warm for better adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.